what are your thoughts on maintaining the integrity of the data over time? And I'm sure you guys are having these conversations because, even when you look back at past clinical trials with machine learning, we have issues of standardizing, is the data clean, and things like that. What are some of the conversations that are maybe being had about how to make sure that as we create these clinical trials with the future of AI in mind, that we're creating something that can be used in the future as the technology evolves? Is there like a standardization conversation that's being had across fields?
So your question, I mean, have different questions inside. So let's say that there are different topics, which the first one for sure, um, the way that we are building the data now, it changed a lot because there was another interesting session on ChatGPT 2 days ago in the morning, which clearly stated how we are changing by extracting with large language model data. And really was proved that we can absolutely be somehow better than with AI than human, but also the hybrid approach. So starting with a large language model extraction and then the double check from the human. Okay, the double check, I mean the random check from the human. So, and I think that by gathering the data, real world data in this case, no, in that way, we are already standardizing them, okay? So, which doesn't pose us a lot of limits because it reduces the burden and things like that. Or the other way, for the clinical trials, which are more prospective or randomized or interventional, I think that now we are still going like manual checking and monitoring because there are some different things. So, to my perspective, one day also this will change. Let's say we will be able to benchmark what we have. What we will do if we did it manually or if we, let's say, capture this data. But yes, so the data is the real source. So I foresee that these compositions or the chord composition with AI will help a lot, like to query very quickly, to harmonize them, and also to be usable for the secondary use of this data.